And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Wand tool in Adobe Illustrator. It's another selection tool that saves us a couple of clicks, and we can find it via the short key Y or with the right click on the regular selection or move tool, as I like to call it. And you can use it to select shapes that are similar. For example, if you double click on it, you can get the Magic Wand menu. And we've got the fill color selected, so if I left click on this red circle, the other red circles are selected as well, as they are within the tolerance of the fill color. If I go to 0 and I click on the left one, only the center one is selected with it, as the third one has a lighter red and it doesn't fit the tolerance anymore. You can also use the stroke color to select elements. So if I click on the center one at the top, you can see that all of the ones that have the same stroke color, which is black, are selected with it. Once again, we've got the tolerance to play around with. You can also select the stroke weight. So if I left click on one element that has a stroke, all of the elements with the same stroke weight are selected, no matter which color they have. Opacity is another one that we can select. So the center line has an opacity of 50%. So it's not selected when I click on the top line element. If I change the tolerance, for example, to 51, and I click on the left top element, all of them are selected. If I use 49, the middle line is not selected. As I've said, it's 50% opacity. Another parameter to select for is the blending mode. You can change that via the transparency. You can also combine parameters, so fill color and stroke color at the same time. Both of these parameters need to be valid or need to be true. So if I click on a red circle with a black stroke, only the ones that have the same fill color and the same stroke color are selected. And this is how you can use the Magic Wand tool. It helps you select elements in Adobe Illustrator, saves a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.